Today, I'm going to try and put new struts on our tow car. I hope. This little thing measures the tilt of the wheel, the camber, so I can hopefully put it back to where it was. Camber's that way. Okay, this side's done. There it is. There's the old toasty one. New one. Cool. Fiat.
Ta-da!
Okay, I just gotta put my tools away and go take it for a test drive. Okay. It's test drive time. See if the wheels fall off. They shouldn't, but you never know. See if it's any quieter.
You have to go over like a bump or something.
So I put new struts on because the old ones are making noise. And I tried to double check the camber, which is the tilt of the wheel. And they both went back on exactly the way they came off. Usually they say if you can't do that kind of stuff, to get an alignment, but I don't think we have to. So we're gonna go for a drive and see how it does. I would venture to say the front already sounds quieter.
Yeah.
Seems to be driving better.
Yep.
I think the steering is a little tighter and it seems quieter.
Seems sturdier to me.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, you did it, baby.
Woohoo!
You did. You got an owie. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Ryan is the handiest of men. He knows how to do a lot of stuff. And if he doesn't know how to do it, he's humble enough to ask somebody or look it up and try to learn it. And that's what I'm learning from Ryan, is that never assume you're the smartest person in the room, because there's always something you could learn. And that's one of the things that makes him the handiest of men. Not the handsiest. The handiest.
Slight distinction.
There's a distinction. This guy won't be groping people. Alright, I need to have the camera taken away from me.
No more tequila today.
I ran out of coffee.
Oh, that's a good substitute.
Yeah.
It's like beer.
It's like beer. Anyways, I'm proud of you and I love you.
Thank you, I love you too.